everyone, my name is Rashil Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today we are going to continue solving our exercise of the unit number 2A, grade 7th English based on National Curriculum 2022. Part 2. So, let's start. The narrator has used a number of words to describe the feelings of the sky. Read the underlined words in each sentence and replace them with their synonyms. You can use a thesaurus to find the synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same meaning. A. You are making me sick. 6. Synonym is unwell or ill. B. I am congested, off balance, and polluted. Another similar word to congested is blocked. Balance. The synonym of balance is equal. C. I have become unpredictable. Unpredictable means unexpected. Its synonym is unexpected. D. I cannot even control myself. Control synonym is manage. Now let's solve some comprehension questions of this chapter. Answer these questions. Our first question is, what is nature complaining about? Its answer is that nature is complaining that people has made her sick by pollution and overcrowding the land and the smoke of cars and waste of factories is killing the nature. Our second question is, why is the sky unable to control itself? The sky is unable to control itself because it is polluted by the air, noise, and waste pollution. The typhoons and tornadoes are more intense because of it. Question number 3. For how many years has the Mother Nature been in existence? Mother Nature is about 4.5 billion years old. Question number 4. Why do you think nature does not need us, but we need it? Nature does not need us, but we need it because our life depends on nature. We need oxygen, fresh air, fruits, vegetables. This all can be get only by nature. Question number 5. What does the word falter mean? Falter means weak or unsure. Question number 6. What does the sky mean when it says that at the end, I will be fine? Discuss in detail. The answer to this question is that the statement at the end, I will be fine, suggests that despite the current challenges caused by human activities, the sky holds the inherent ability to recover and restore its balance over time. It reflects the resilience of nature and its capacity to heal. However, this statement also serves as a reminder of urgent need for humans to address environmental issues and take responsibility for preserving the well-being of the natural world. Question number 7. Describe the feelings of Mother Nature. Mother Nature expresses concern for humans, emphasizing their reliance on her. Humans need her more than she needs them, and emphasizes that their actions will ultimately shape their fate. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and share with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.